Chillers are one of the most critical components in modern HVAC systems, especially in large commercial buildings, industrial facilities, hospitals, and shopping malls. Their primary function is to remove heat from a liquid, usually water, and transfer that heat to the outside environment. This chilled water is then circulated through air handling units or fan coil units to provide cooling. Proper maintenance of chillers is essential because even a small issue can lead to reduced efficiency, higher energy consumption, or complete system failure. Poor maintenance can also shorten the lifespan of expensive equipment such as compressors and heat exchangers. In this video, we will go through a complete, step-by-step, advanced guide to chiller maintenance, designed especially for HVAC technicians who want to improve their practical skills and technical knowledge. Understanding chiller types before maintenance. Before starting maintenance, it is important to understand that there are different types of chillers, including air-cooled chillers and water-cooled chillers. While the basic working principle is similar, the maintenance procedures can vary slightly. Air-cooled chillers use ambient air to remove heat from the condenser, while water-cooled chillers use cooling towers and water circulation systems. Because of this, water-cooled chillers require additional maintenance such as cooling tower inspection and water treatment. Understanding the type of chiller you are working on helps you apply the correct maintenance procedures and avoid mistakes.
Step 1. Safety. First, before performing any maintenance work, safety must always be the top priority. Always disconnect the power supply and follow proper lockout and tagout procedures to ensure that the system cannot be accidentally started. Wear appropriate personal protective equipment, such as gloves, safety glasses, and protective clothing. When working with refrigerants, ensure proper ventilation, because refrigerant gases can be harmful if inhaled in large quantities. Never work on a pressurized system without proper knowledge, and always use the correct tools and gauges. Step 2. Visual inspection of the chiller system. The first practical step in maintenance is a thorough visual inspection. This helps identify obvious problems before using tools or instruments. Check for oil leaks around the compressor and piping connections. Oil stains often indicate refrigerant leakage because refrigerant carries oil with it. Inspect all electrical connections for signs of burning, loose wires, or corrosion. Look at the condenser and evaporator coils. If they are dirty or blocked, heat transfer efficiency will decrease significantly. Also, check for unusual noises or vibrations when the system is running, as these can indicate mechanical problems. Step 3. Checking refrigerant level and pressure. The refrigerant is the heart of the chiller system, so maintaining the correct charge is very important. Connect manifold gauges to the system and measure the suction and discharge pressures. Compare these readings with the manufacturer's recommended values. Low pressure may indicate a refrigerant leak, while high pressure may be caused by dirty condenser coils or airflow issues. Also, check superheat and subcooling values to ensure the system is operating efficiently. Incorrect refrigerant levels can lead to compressor damage if not corrected in time. Step 4. Cleaning the condenser and evaporator. Heat exchangers play a key role in chiller performance. Over time, dust, dirt, and scale can build up on the condenser and evaporator surfaces. For air-cooled chillers, clean the condenser coils using compressed air or a coil cleaning solution. Make sure airflow is not restricted. For water-cooled chillers, inspect the condenser tubes for scaling or fouling. Chemical cleaning or mechanical brushing may be required to remove deposits. The evaporator should also be checked to ensure proper heat absorption. Clean surfaces improve heat transfer and reduce energy consumption. Step 5. Inspecting the compressor. The compressor is the most expensive and important component of a chiller. Regular inspection can prevent costly failures. Check the oil level and oil quality. Dirty or low oil can cause internal damage. Listen for unusual sounds, such as knocking or grinding, which may indicate mechanical wear. Measure the motor current and compare it with the rated value. High current may indicate overloading or internal faults. Ensure that all mounting bolts are tight and vibration levels are within acceptable limits. Step 6. Checking electrical components. Electrical components must be checked carefully because faults can cause system shutdowns or unsafe conditions. Inspect contactors, relays, and terminals for signs of wear or overheating. Tighten loose connections and replace damaged components. Check voltage and current readings to ensure they are within normal limits. Also, test safety controls such as high-pressure and low-pressure cutouts to confirm they are functioning correctly. Step 7. Water system maintenance for water-cooled chillers. In water-cooled chillers, the water system requires special attention. Check the cooling tower, water pumps, and piping. Ensure proper water flow through the condenser and evaporator. Low flow can reduce efficiency and cause overheating. Water quality is also very important. Poor water treatment can lead to scaling, corrosion, and biological growth. Regular chemical treatment helps maintain system performance and longevity. Step 8. Checking sensors and controls. Modern chillers use advanced control systems with sensors for temperature, pressure, and flow. Check that all sensors are working correctly and providing accurate readings. Faulty sensors can cause incorrect system operation. Calibrate thermostats and control systems if needed. Also, inspect the control panel for any error codes or alarms. Step 9. System performance testing. After completing maintenance, run the chiller and observe its performance. Check temperature differences across the evaporator and condenser. Ensure the system reaches the desired cooling capacity. Monitor pressure, current, and temperature readings to confirm stable operation. Any abnormal readings should be investigated immediately. Step 10. Documentation and preventative maintenance. Finally, always document all maintenance activities. Record pressure readings, temperature values, and any repairs performed. Creating a regular maintenance schedule helps prevent unexpected breakdowns and improves system reliability. Preventative maintenance not only saves energy, but also reduces repair costs and extends the life of the chiller system. Conclusion. Mastering chiller maintenance requires both theoretical knowledge and practical experience. By following a step-by-step approach, HVAC technicians can ensure that chillers operate efficiently, safely, and reliably. Regular inspection, cleaning, and proper system checks are the key to avoiding major failures. With the right skills and attention to detail, technicians can significantly improve system performance and provide better service to clients.